What is the way to your heart?
Uh, your, your honesty, nothing else. Just, yeah.
Perfect. What's the most memorable fan encounter you've ever had?
My God, I think all my fan encounters have been pretty memorable. Some of them have been a little scary, creepy. But yeah, I think all of my encounters have been some, that have given me a lot of good feelings. So I think a lot of my fans are not just about me being an entertainer; they're also about me as a human being. So they're almost like, उनको आके डांट वांट देते हैं, मतलब कि बहुत पतले हो गए हो या बहुत मोटे हो गए हो यार, अभी कितना करोगे. So I think they're very, very interesting. Yeah.
How sweet. What is your idea of an ideal date?
The right partner is the most important thing. I mean, you can be at a small stall with the right partner and you will remember that date. Or you will remember a bad partner and the most expensive, Monte Carlo and फिर भी.
Okay, if you had to survive a zombie apocalypse with 3 people from the industry, who would be in your survival squad?
Oh, wow. I think I'll be the one who has to do the heavy lifting, like the killing and fighting and everything. I think I'll need my girlfriend with me क्योंकि survive तो करना ही है. And we'll need now, जब ये दो पागल हो गए हैं तो एक sensible कोई चाहिए होगा. We'll need one sensible person to take care of these two crazy people here.
What is the most difficult part of being an actor?
I think, see, I mean, typically it's the judgment, the unnecessary, hate and all of these things. But then again, you chose to be an actor, so stop cribbing about it and enjoy the money.
If your life had a theme song, what would it be and why?
जिंदगी एक सफर है सुहाना, यहाँ कब क्या हो किसने जाना.
No.
My dad used to sing it for us, and I understand now why.
Yeah, amazing. If you were a superhero, what would be your superpower and what would be the costume?
Oh God, something comfortable. I can't have that spandex tight costumes. But I think the super heroes or superpowers are actually stuff that we lack. So I don't think the concept is pretty, there. But out of all the superheroes, Batman is my favorite because he is actually pretty real and he's used stuff to, I mean, it's not something that God has given. It's a self-made thing, and I associate myself as a self-made man.
If you could be part of any Purani Hindi film, which one would it be?
Oh, so many.
Name one.
Masoom? I would love to be a part of Masoom. Even Lekin, for that matter. Yeah.
And why?
I mean, you asked me Purani Hindi film, and these two came in my mind. So I'm sure they've made an impact. Amar Akbar Anthony, Ajuba, but yeah, I mean, so many.
Yeah, fun. Your first celebrity crush?
My first celebrity crush, Julia Roberts.
Your signature step at a barat?
At a barat, me
Yes.
dancing,
Yes.
signature step. I think it will be the Lord Bobby with the drink on my head, and that's pretty much apt. Yeah, you'll probably find me not at the barat but at the bar. Yeah.
Perfect. What is your most overused phrase?
It's Punjabi and it's not apt. It's got a lot of pam, 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 pam.
Yeah. I'm guessing it's beep worthy. So let's move on.
Yeah.
What does your ideal vacation look like?
Again, pretty much like the date answer. You could be with the right person or set of people, and you could have a great time, or you could be in the most amazing, beautiful place with the wrong people. So I think anywhere where you are with the like-minded people who give you that sukoon is pretty much vacation.
What's the most interesting or bizarre thing you've ever heard about yourself online?
I keep hearing bizarre things. Apparently, I'm married to some Big Boss contestant. Like that's not Teju. Like, I'm married to some random person. आज ही अभी थोड़ी देर पहले मैं अपनी फिल्म की रिव्यूज दे रहा था. ऐसे अजीब मतलब आप लोग लिखो बड़ी अच्छी फिल्म बनाओगे. Random. Yeah.
A unique talent of yours that no one knows about.
I'm very good with you know details. Like अगर एक चीज यहाँ से यहाँ भी होती है तो मैं उसको नोटिस कर लेता हूँ. मैं बड़ी जल्दी सॉल्व कर लेता हूँ चीजें. मिस्ट्रीज बहुत जल्दी सॉल्व करता हूँ. अगर कुछ गड़बड़ हुई है ना क्योंकि समझ में नहीं आ रहा है हुआ कैसे है. Bring me in, I'll tell you in 10 minutes what happened. Yeah.
An emoji that you often use.
It's actually a lot of those laughing emojis जो इतना हंस रहे हैं कि आंसू आ रहे हैं. Yeah, that is also probably my life. I like enjoying my life. I like हंसते खेलते सब कुछ करना. So I think those are the most used emojis.
In an hypothetical situation, if you were on a dating app, what would your bio say?
Weirdo, but worth it. Yeah, I think कभी सोचा नहीं इसके बारे में, but ऐसे कुछ होगा. I would probably say enter at your own risk or something quirky, trying to be funny, but the joke's not landing, awkward. Yeah, that'll be my profile.
Sounds
Yeah.
good. Describe your first ever audition.
My first ever audition actually happened 2-3 years after I had become an actor, because that's how I started. I got noticed on Facebook and straight away, and it was for a TV show, not a Balaji TV show. So Balaji is a very different world than, the other television, this thing. And suddenly I was like, ye kya hai? Because it was typical TV, and nothing against them. But it was just very new for me, So वही था मतलब कोई बर्तन टूट गया तो एक एपिसोड उसी पे लिखा हुआ था तो I was like okay. Yeah.
Is there a weird food combination that you love?
Dude, I think I mix everything and eat. तो वो मेरे आसपास के लोगों को बहुत अजीब लगता है, because I'm used to fish curry, pair toran. There's a thing in Malayalis. It's called it's a curry, right? It's something like जो हमारी north की कड़ी होती है. It's called morak curry, and rice and papadum and different cabbage के torans. I'm a Malayali, by the way, so that's my Malayali side talking. There's something like अचार टाइप का होता है, but it's different. ये सब मिक्स करके ना मैं खाता हूँ तो वो लोगों को बड़ा weird लगता है. मुझे बड़ा मजा आता है. मेरे मुंह में पानी आना शुरू हो गया है. I can imagine the more curry and the fish curry and that rice and then papadum.
Yeah, weirdly yum.
Yes, it's yum. It's yum.
If Karan Kundra came with a warning sign, what would it say?
It'll be something like यार ज़्यादा मत करना. फिर प्यार हो जाएगा फिर रोगे. और इसे पता भी नहीं चलेगा.
Can you share a childhood memory that still brings a smile on your face?
Oh, so many. I've had such a beautiful childhood. Touch wood, 3 elder sisters, crazily in love parents. One is a Malayali, one is a Punjabi. What a riot our house used to be. But we were always there for each other. And then my sister had kids, twins. वो भी आ गए थे जलंधर हमारे पास while she was studying for her USMLE. So just we're a chai family. रात को 3 बजे भी कभी आप कहीं आप आ रहे हो और if you bump into somebody else जो भी कभी वॉशरूम यूज कर रहे थे चाय तो रात को 3 बजे भी चाय होती है हमारे यहाँ. तो we're a crazy bunch.
If your life was a hashtag, what would it be?
Hashtag हर मैदान फतेह.
Wow.
Yeah.
Can you tell us 3 Gen Z lingos?
No.
Come on, just 3, at least one.
I have no idea. I think क्या वो riz वगैरह बोलते रहते हैं आजकल. I mean, I have these 20-21 year olds. It's pretty much lost in translation for me. Yeah.
Okay. A fitness tip that you always stand by.
I think there is mental health as well. I mean, don't starve yourself from the basic niceties of life. And yeah, of course, if there is a project, go for it. Otherwise, just have a healthy mind and body. You don't always have to be, looking like a certain, whatever prototype or whatever there is. Enjoy the good things of life as well. Don't overdo it. Yeah, but itna nahi karna. I know people who are starving all the time, and this is unhappy people. Yeah.
What is your ultimate comfort food?
Dal chawal. or idli sambar, gobi ke parathe. Very rich.
That's a long list.
Bombil fry.
Yum.
Yum.
What
पता
is
चलता है मैंने खाना नहीं खाया ना. Yeah. और सांबर चावल. Yeah.
And the list goes on. Let's move on. What is your favorite genre of music?
I mean, it has to be Punjabi first, you know, because I really believe that Punjabi music just transcends everything. And then I also like blues, but I mean, I'm a music person. Anything good to listen to, I like. There are certain South Indian songs that I like, but yeah, blues it would be. Don't irk anybody, and if anybody irks you, don't spare that person. इतना भी संत बनने की जरूरत नहीं. Hold your ground and hold your fort.
Thank you.
Thank you.
To watch the full video, click here. पूरा वीडियो देखने के लिए यहाँ क्लिक करें.